Hi, friend. Welcome back to my News PH channel, where I bring you the latest and most thrilling news about the newest addition to the Philippine Air Forces today. I have some amazing updates straight from the Philippine Air Forces and you won't want to miss it. Get ready to feast your eyes on.
Be strong.
The DND, through its BAC-2 report as of July 2023, has confirmed that the Philippine Air Force's additional utility helicopter, Bell 412, acquisition project is now in advanced stages and is just awaiting the release of funds from the Department of Budget and Management for it to be able to award the project. This project was actually first introduced in 2020 as part of the second list of Horizon 2 phase, but failed to reach advanced stages by the time Horizon 2 ended and was pushed back to Horizon 3 phase. It involves the acquisition of 8 Bell 412 helicopters to beef up the current fleet of the PAF, and will be the second main combat utility helicopter of the PAF and act as an alternative model and provide the PAF with helicopters in case the Sikorsky S-70I Black Hawk CUH are grounded for safety or other reasons. While it was specific for Bell 412s, it remains to be seen if it will consider models based on the Bell 412 model like the Subaru A2, which is actually a Japanese-made variant of the Bell 412 EPX. Once delivered, the PAF will have 13 Bell 412s as combat utility helicopters, in addition to the 3 Bell 412 EP-VIP helicopters acquired during Horizon 1. And 5 older Bell 412 EP and 412 HP-VIP helicopters acquired during the Ramos administration back in the 1990s. The Bell 412 helicopters, fully configured and equipped with advanced features, are being acquired as part of the Armed Forces of the Philippines (AFP) modernization plans, and were purchased by the DND through a government-to-government contract with the Canadian Commercial Corporation (CCC). We are honored that the Bell 412 will continue to serve the Philippines through the Philippine Air Force for many more years to come. Being a part of the Armed Forces of the Philippines is a privilege and responsibility that we at Bell Helicopter take very seriously, said Samir A. Rahman, Managing Director of Bell Helicopter Asia Pacific. Bell's helicopters have been a key component for the Philippine Air Force in the past, and we look forward to bringing these aircraft into service quickly to serve the citizens of the Philippines. The helicopters will be used for a variety of missions such as disaster relief, search and rescue, passenger transport and utility transport. The Bell H-13 Sioux, a variant of the iconic Bell 47, was the first helicopter to enter into service with the Philippine Air Force in 1955. The Philippine Air Force has operated derivations of the Bell A-1H since the late 1960s, and since 1994 when they received their first 2 Bell 412s. More recently, Bell Helicopter delivered 8 412 EP aircraft to the Philippines in 2015. The Bell 412 platform continues to garner interest from international customers, including the Canadian Coast Guard, which recently took delivery of all 7 Bell 412 EPIs. In Asia Pacific, the Aichi Prefecture in Japan signed a purchase agreement in 2016 for a Bell 412 EPI to be used specifically for firefighting missions and disaster relief. In 2015, the Japan Ground Self-Defense Forces ordered 150 units of the new AX aircraft, based on the Bell 412 EPI platform, which will be used for island defense and disaster relief efforts. The Bell 412 EPI improves the Bell 412 platform with the Bell Basics Pro fully integrated glass flight deck, providing critical flight information at a glance for greater situational awareness and safety. The Bell Basics Pro system is specifically designed to meet the requirements of twin-engine helicopters and is optimized for IFR, Category A and JAR OPS-3 compliant operations. The avionics suite also includes high-resolution digital maps, electronic charts and approach plates, and ADS-B transponder. The Bell 412 features the BLR Strake and Fast Fin system, which modifies the tail boom to optimize airflow and improve handling, safety and lift. About Bell Helicopter, a wholly owned subsidiary of Textron Inc., is an industry-leading producer of commercial and military, manned and unmanned vertical lift aircraft and the pioneer of the revolutionary tiltrotor aircraft. Globally recognized for world-class customer service, innovation and superior quality, Bell's global workforce serves customers flying Bell aircraft in more than 130 countries.